Do you know the performance and efficiency values of the compressed air operated products in your facility?
Do any of these devices look familiar to you? Perhaps you've seen or heard them being used and wondered how much they cost to operate. Do they have to be that loud? Are they even safe for our personnel to use?
Have you ever thought about comparing the performance of those loud and wasteful devices with quiet, efficient, and safe engineered compressed air products?
If so, you may be interested in learning more about EXAIR Efficiency Lab services. Here's how it works.
Our Efficiency Lab service begins with receiving a sample of the product or products you currently use for your application. One of our qualified application engineers will use calibrated testing equipment to compare the performance of your existing product or products to an EXAIR engineered solution. These tests will determine air consumption, noise levels, and force. The test results will then be published and provided to you in a comprehensive and confidential report, which includes a cost savings analysis.
For most applications, EXAIR products can help you improve application efficiency and typically pay for themselves in a matter of weeks. To participate in our free efficiency lab, please contact one of our application engineers and get the details about sending us your product. You may reach an application engineer by phone at 800-903-9247 or 513-671-3322. You can send an email to lab@exair.com or visit our website and take advantage of our live chat help at www.exair.com. Application engineers are standing by Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time to answer any questions you may have about the Efficiency Lab or address any concerns you may have about the quiet, safe, and efficient use of your compressed air system.
If it's not possible to send us your product, we do have a one-page product efficiency survey on our website, where you can provide us with the details about a current inefficient compressed air application. Fill in the information, click Submit. You will hear from one of our application engineers within 3 business days.
This service is available to all customers in the United States and Canada. Some restrictions may apply. Products must be shipped to EXAIR freight prepaid. EXAIR will pay the return shipping via UPS ground. EXAIR will keep results of our Efficiency Lab test and report confidential unless given permission to share that information with others.
Verifiable and traceable testing standards result in real conclusive data.
Our numbers don't lie, and the benefits to your operation will bear that out. That's our commitment to you.
If you've got compressed air operated devices that you'd like to know a little more about, or if you've got questions about how EXAIR can be your main partner in reducing compressed air demand, reach out to an application engineer today.